On this video, I'm gonna share with you all the entries that we received so far on the third contest, which is run through YouTube channel. And here is the description. When we post this contest, that time we decided to give prizes for the first and the second place. But now we decided to give the prizes up to the 8 places. So here is the designs with the same description from different designers. We received those designs. So just I am scrolling the page so that you can see all the designs. Now let me share with you the 8 winners of this contest. These are the designs who are the winners of this contest. My request to all the winners of this contest, please share your Fiverr ID links by following the mail ID and the WhatsApp so that I can put order and do the payment. I really appreciate all your efforts. All the designs are good, but we can't pick up all the designs as a winner. So I hope you understand. My best wishes to all the designers who did not win this contest. So you try your best in the upcoming contest and becomes a winner. Wish you all the best and thank you for your participation.